Associates. It is a practicing company secretaries firm, and it is in business since past 7 years. Business description, or basically we can say that the services that our firm provides is setting up the new businesses of all types, all companies, limited entities like private limited, limited companies, public limited, and limited liability partnerships, and startup businesses to avail the benefits of this startup schemes, stand-up schemes of government. And we look after the compliances of all the corporates, all types of corporate compliances. Thirdly, we look after this protection of brand names in the form of intellectual property right protection, that is IPR, through trademark registration, copyright registrations, and patent registrations. Fourthly, we help our corporates to raise funds in various forms, domestic level also and international level also, through FDI and ECB's external commercial borrowings. So basically, these types of services we provide. And the key feature of a firm is we understand the basic need of our client, its business. Then we suggest the type of entity with which he should or she should go for a long term. And secondly, uh, uh, confidentiality and the timely compliances, updating clients regarding applicable laws to their businesses, and timely compliances plus keeping the business ideas and business informations confidential to our client is a key feature of our firm. And I will give a brief introduction of my client base. Presently, the firm is catering corporate needs of more than 200 companies all over India and abroad. We have certain foreign subsidiaries also from Russia, Canada, and US. And at present, if I name few of my good clients like UCN Group, I think everyone is aware in Nagpur. The corporate compliances are under our firm's domain. And there are certain other groups also, renowned business group of Gilada of Bangalore, Bharat Udyog Group of Mumbai, and there are many more. And work exposure, basically I've given a brief domain of our firm's working. That is, it deals in all types of corporate laws and listing compliances, all types of, if an entity is listed or anything, the listing compliances is there. And Foreign Exchange Management Act, that is FEMA, which basically deals if a person requires any funding from an international market through FDI route or ECB. So basically we deal in that also, in that type of compliances also. And thirdly, we provide this intellectual rights protection services also through trademark registration, patents, copyrights. If a person want to register their brand name or protect their brand name for future and long run, long sustaining of their business and brand name, they can do it through intellectual property rights and everything. So we provide that kind of services also. And my client base basically consists of all types of corporates, young entrepreneurs who are willing to start their business in a proper and a systematic form, in a systematic form of entity, and avail the schemes of government like Startup India, Stand Up India, which they can attend through any limited or private limited entity or in the form of LLP. So basically, we assist those kinds of young entrepreneurs and new businesses, and we also cater the needs of existing unregistered businesses which they want to convert it into a registered entity and give a and turn it into a private or private limited or an LLP form of company. So basically, for all the businesses, we provide a basic solution to how which entity to be best for your business in a long run, and to look after the compliances relating to it. And the customer, we work in both ways, that is B2B and B2C also. B2C is our direct clients that we interact with, and B2B is like we are associated with many professionals on India level basis, of whom we handle the corporate compliances of their client base. They have corporate clients and we look after the compliances of their corporate clients. So we work in both ways, like B2C and B2B both. And our hookup line is like, allow SND and associates to take care of your burden. We will ensure that your documents are properly maintained and in compliance with all the requirements of applicable laws. That means we try to keep our client entity compliant and update him about all the applicable laws to his business, whatever he's doing, whether he is a construction into a construction or in production of something or in anything or in mining or anything, power generation, anything. So we keep him updated about their respective laws, and we keep take care of the compliances so that he should be free to do all the business activities with a free mind, and he should not be burdened with the compliances or penalty or anything. So we look after that kind of things of all businesses. um, Thank you so much, Sampark, for providing me this platform to introduce myself. And thank you so much. I'm glad to join Sampark.